Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our 3D class. Today class is about surface and how to extract point from this surface. The method for creation surface we know from point. If we have point file like this, it's very easy. We can create from here or from here we can create surface. But sometimes we get surface from consultant or from any designer which in which we don't have a point, we only have contours. Sometimes it's break, sometimes it's surface, but we don't have point on this like this one. Suppose if I will export this one, how the consultant are sending us the surface, I will try to explain. So I will click here and then export LandXML. From here I will export the surface only. I will uncheck all. From here you can select, there is option identification for data setting. You can if you want, but we are leaving it. It is generally we don't change anything here. Okay, so I will save, only select the surface and I will okay. From the desktop I will save this point creation, or let's take this AA surface. Suppose this is AA surface and then so. Now if you check here from this one, this is our surface, AA surface. It is in the LandXML file. So if I want to create here this surface, what will I do? First thing, if you know, it is good. If you don't know, just export from here. Select this one, LandXML. From the desktop, select the AA surface and then open. All thing which is including this one, this will be checked. You can see from here surface there, source data definition. Just click OK and you can see now. So like this, without any point group, without anything, we get surface like this. So from here, how you will extract points for the deviation. If you need, if surveyor need or anything, you can say. If you need, how you will extract data from this. Today video is about that one. So let's start. First of all, I will insert here, go to the surface style. From here, if you see here, there is a triangle, there is point which is turned up, and only things which are turned on is major and minor contour. So let's check this triangle and point here. And now as I turn on the triangle and point, you can see there is points including in this surface. So now I will turn off this thing which I don't need. Only I will let the points which I need the point here. So I will let this point here. Okay. Other thing, I will click here and then I will select here extract data from surface. From here I will select extract object. In object there is only two things which are visible here, this point and border. So I will uncheck the point, border, and I will, because before extracting here, if you move this point here, it's mean you are destruction, this your surface, your triangle, your breaking. If you can copy paste, you cannot. So best way is to extract the data from this one. So select this one and then click OK. Now this data is the point from this surface extracted. So let's turn off this surface property from here. From here and from the properties you can turn it. Now these are the points which are extracted. So p type or ddp you can select from here, change the point style from here and then click OK. It will not, because these are the points, so it will not related to this scale. So just region, when you zoom out or zoom in, just region and it will the size will go. Okay, now these are the point AutoCAD points. In the elevation, if you select one and then here you can see here is the said have elevation. This point have elevation. Again this point have elevation. So this point have elevation. So we can create surface from this one, which is took from the surface, because we extract the point from surface. So already these elevation are related to surface. Now let's go to the point option from here, or you have from here you can create here. Just set the default style, all point creation, this manual. So elevation automatic. Let's point name is automatic and then select here convert AutoCAD point from here and then select all, then right click. And this one for the description, maybe I did not change here. So before the here, let's check this one. Let's also change the automatic and then select this one and then select all and then right click. Now you can see all the points are civil 3D point. If I go to the properties or the list of the here edit point, I check here all points here. You can zoom this one to check here this point. You can see this point. So all point from that surface we extracted. Now we can change from the properties or properties here. You can change the style with the elevation and description. Description, there is no description for this, only you can insert elevation. And when you turn on the surface here, you will see the elevation for this surface. Suppose for this area, if I select surface, I check the spot elevation, one point here. If I check here, sorry, I select the slope. Let's check here, select the one, this one, and here spot elevation. If I check here, click here, you can see 664.11, 664.11. So like this you can extract data from surface. So and you can save this as a point file group. You can select this points as a point group, create, and you can use this as your point, whatsoever you need, how you need this point, you can use this one. So this was today video about how to extract data from the surface. If you don't have point file for the surface, sometime we don't have points, this one. So this today we learn two things in this video. One, extract point data from the surface, and the second thing, how to import LandXML surface, import and export LandXML surface. So hopefully you will practice on